How to fix an iPhone stuck at startup. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is indeed an expensive phone, with prices ranging significantly depending on the storage capacity and condition. This high cost makes it unaffordable for many people, and Kaka had just purchased his in February 2024. What causes an iPhone to get stuck at startup? Several factors can cause an iPhone to get stuck at the Apple logo, including software updates gone wrong, hardware issues 3, failed jailbreak attempts 5, corrupt system files. Other factors can lead to this problem, including software glitches, failed updates, or hardware malfunctions. Practical solutions to fix an iPhone stuck at startup. 1. Force restart your iPhone. A force restart can often resolve the issue. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. 2. Use recovery mode. If a force restart doesn't work, try putting your iPhone in recovery mode. 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer. 2. Open iTunes on Mac with macOS Mojave or earlier, or Finder on Mac with macOS Catalina or later. 3. Force restart your iPhone, but don't release the buttons when you see the Apple logo. Wait until the recovery mode screen appears. 4. Choose Update when prompted. This will reinstall iOS without erasing your data. 3. DFU Mode Restore. Device firmware update. DFU mode is a more in-depth method. 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer. 2. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. 4. While holding the side button, press and hold the volume down button for 5 seconds. 5. Release the side button but continue holding the volume down button for 10 more seconds. If the screen stays black, your iPhone is in DFU mode. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions in iTunes or Finder to restore your iPhone. 4. Seek professional help. If none of these methods work, it might be time to visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider. By following these steps, you can potentially save your iPhone from the startup loop and get back to using your essential apps and contacts.